Our next section is on proportions, and proportions are a very important topic for this class. So basically what a proportion is setting two fractions or ratios equal to each other. And they have the property where the cross products, or multiplying the diagonals of a proportion, are equal. So let's see if this is the case here. 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 times 10 is 10. 9 times 4 is 36, and 3 times 12 is 36. 1 times 15 is 15, and 5 times 3 is 15. So many times you're going to see an x in the proportion, and we can use this cross products fact to solve for x. So it says solve each proportion and then round the answers to the nearest tenth. So there's really two different ways to do this, and you can do either way. So let's look at those cross products, and this will be 5 times x, and then 9 times 3 is 27. So then if you want to get x by itself, you need to divide both sides by 5. And if you do that, then you should get 5.4. So that's one way to do it. The other way is if you take the diagonal that does not have an x. So you have two diagonals here, but only one of those diagonals does not have an x, and that would be the 9 times the 3. So multiply those numbers in the diagonal that does not have the x, and then just divide by whatever number is left. So 9 times 3 divided by 5, and we also get 5.4. So either way is okay. Looking at number 4, we have 2 milligrams over 15 milliliters is equal to 7 milligrams over x. So I want to multiply the diagonal that does not have the x. So that would be this diagonal, because this diagonal does have the x. So I want to multiply 15 times 7 and then divide by the last number. So divide by 2. So 15 times 7 dividing by 2, and we get 52.5. And I do need to put a label on it. I do need to put my units. So because milliliters are on the bottom here, they must also be on the bottom here. So my label, or my units, would be milliliters.